Storm Center 7 forecast with Chief Meteorologist McCall Vrydaghs.
All right, we were low to mid-80s over the weekend. My wife tells me tonight you got to turn the heat back on at the house, McCall.
I already did today. It was chilly out there. And you know me, I'm always cranking the heat up in the office, so it doesn't take much. But
honestly, it's like 86 degrees in your office.
It's true, and I still have a snuggie on. But listen, temps tonight, everyone is likely going to turn the heat back over from the air conditioner he had it on over the weekend. And that's because temps are falling down close to freezing by tomorrow morning. In fact, the National Weather Service did issue a frost advisory and freeze warning throughout the entire Channel 7 viewing area. The freeze warning is what you see there in blue, the darker blue. The lighter blue, that's the frost advisory. It goes into effect at 2 a.m. tonight and will last through 9 a.m. tomorrow morning. I know most of you are probably watching while you're snuggled up in bed, but if you're thinking, oh my goodness, I left some plants outside that I can bring in quickly, might be a good idea to do it because we do have those temperatures cold enough to create a killing freeze. Temps are going to be dropping down into the low to mid-30s to start tomorrow morning. While not necessarily at or below freezing everywhere, this is why frost can form, because those temperatures are actually measured about 5 feet above the ground. Sitting at about the mid-30s, 5 feet above, actually translates to a temperature near or if not below freezing at the surface. So as that colder air is sinking, it may touch something that's below freezing, freezes on contact, and that's where we see the frost development, not only on grassy surfaces, but elevated surfaces like your windshields or maybe on top of a banister of your porch. That's how that creates, and on top of the leaf or the limbs of your plants that you might have outside, why you need to cover them up for tonight. And that's going to be the story again tomorrow night as well, because I see chilly temperatures again tomorrow night and early Thursday, when we wake up at about 35 degrees Thursday morning. Friday will be a bit better, as our morning low will be about 41. That's still not close to where we should be for this time of year. Below normal early, but then as we head toward later in the week, I do see some temperatures rising once again. All right, for tomorrow, this is what you can expect. Out the door in the morning, again, a cold start. It will be bright and sunny, though, so you'll need the sunglasses along with the heavy jacket. Into the afternoon, we get to about 48 degrees at lunchtime, and then into the middle 50s for the afternoon. But it is going to be breezy, so that 54-degree temperature at 4 p.m., will likely feel more like the upper 40s, so at least a long sleeve or a sweatshirt is needed for the second half of the day. I'll show you those winds for you. We start out there at 6:30 tomorrow, or 8:30 tomorrow morning. Not too breezy. We're at about a 5 to 10 mile an hour wind speed. We get into the afternoon and you can see those winds gusting up over 20 to nearly 25 miles per hour. Still coming out of the north and west, so that's pulling in the cooler air, and then winds start to back down a little bit more into tomorrow evening. All right, as far as the rain is concerned, we'll start out there 8:30 tomorrow morning. We have some clouds in place. We stay dry through your Wednesday. We'll have a mix of sun and clouds into Wednesday afternoon. I am seeing some newer trends in our latest models that a few showers will be moving in tomorrow night into the early morning hours of your Thursday. It will not be a lot of rain, and for the most part, a lot of these models are painting a picture that will have a drier afternoon Thursday. While this in particular model keeps the chances for showers in, that is actually on the lower side of a chance that we'll see it at all Thursday, but we might fine-tune that in the coming days. Now, as far as getting out to mow the lawn, next few days will be all right. Again, we have a few showers tomorrow night into early Thursday potentially, but other than that, should be good enough for you to cut the lawn, and you might want to do it before the weekend, because I do see the rain chances increasing Saturday into Sunday, but it will be warmer as highs climb back to the 70s into early next week.
Thank you, McCall. A study from real estate research from CoStar showed